focus on some of the autonomous institutes which have been established recently, very important from your higher education perspective. So let's focus on some of these institutions. The first institution is the Indian Institute for Petroleum and Energy. It has been established in Vishakhapatnam in 2016 in Andhra Pradesh. So it's specifically catering to petroleum technology and autonomous institute which is established. The next autonomous institute is again in Vishakhapatnam, and this is for medicine sciences. It is known as the Vishaka Institute of Medical Sciences. It was established in 2016. Again, we have the National Institute of Design, NID. We had covered special lectures for NID as well. One of the very important centers established in Kurukshetra after the existing NIDs in Ahmedabad. The next is the Indian Institute for Technology, which is IIT Jammu, started in 2016. Again, we have the IIM Jammu, which was started in 2016. So two important centers, both in Jammu, IIT and IIM, both of them have been autonomous institutes. Then we have IIT established in Karnataka, in Dharwad in 2016 again. In Maharashtra, we have a new center, which is the Maharashtra National Law University, NLU, established in Nagpur in Maharashtra. This again came up in 2016. Again was an autonomous institute. Behrampur, very important. We have the IISER, which is the Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, established in Behrampur. A very important center that was established. The next is the National Institute of Design. After the National Institute of Design in Kurukshetra, we had another NID which was established in Jorhat. This was in 2019 in Assam. To promote design among students, this center works for creativity and boosting new technological skills with the students, specifically for design. So after the Jorhat, we had another center in Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh, which was established in 2019. And the last important is All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, which was established in Gorakhpur in 2019 in Uttar Pradesh. So those are some of the important autonomous centers that we have understood have been established across India in the recent last few years. Now all these institutions are autonomous in nature, very important for your higher education section in paper 1, also for those appearing with education and having education as one of the papers in various exams would need to go through and ramp up these. As mentioned before, our video course are available even for 1 month subscription now. The details are available in the link below. If you have any questions, any doubts, feel free to connect back to us. Wish you a very good luck for preparation, and we are always there with you. In case if you have any doubts, any questions, feel free to come back to us.